How to add contact widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. From here, scroll down the list until you locate and find the Contacts widget, then tap on it. Swipe left or right to preview the different sizes and styles available for the Contacts widget. Once you've chosen the size you want, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom as shown. The widget will be placed on your home screen. While the icons are still jiggling, you can drag it to your preferred location, even moving it to different pages. Once the widget is in place, tap on Done in the top right corner. The widget will now display on your home screen, giving you one-tap access to call, message, or email those contacts. Following these steps, you can easily add Contact widget on an iPhone.